If cold tar mix is unavailable, several practical substitutes will restore pavement integrity without specialized equipment. Use ready-made asphalt patch for small holes and cracks because it is designed for cold application and bonds well to existing surfaces. Clean the area of loose debris and dampen it slightly for better adhesion, then compact the patch firmly using a tamper or a heavy piece of wood. For larger potholes, consider hot mix asphalt if you can access a supplier or rental service that can place it, because hot mix provides superior compaction and longevity, but requires working quickly and basic safety gear like heat-resistant gloves. Another option is a two-part polyurethane or epoxy patch system that cures at ambient temperatures and adheres strongly to concrete and asphalt. Apply per manufacturer directions and tool flush to surrounding pavement before it skins. For temporary fixes, use clean, crushed stone or gravel with a binder like Portland cement for urgent safety needs. Place the material in layers and compact each layer tightly to reduce movement. Always follow local load and weather guidance so that any substitute is applied under appropriate dry and mild conditions for the chosen product. Common problems include poor adhesion to the existing pavement, which happens when surfaces are not cleaned or are excessively wet. So sweep, remove oil with a biodegradable degreaser, and allow slight dampness rather than standing water before you apply a patch. Another frequent issue is inadequate compaction causing early failure, so use a mechanical compactor or hand tamper and work in thin lifts when possible to achieve firm, uniform density. A third concern is using the wrong material for the job, such as applying a temporary cold patch in a high-traffic lane where it will rut. So match the substitute to expected traffic and weather, and plan a more permanent repair with hot mix or professional resurfacing when practical. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors and compare options for pavement repair and substitute materials. And we host a discussion community where users share real-world experience and supplier suggestions. We connect contractors with work opportunities and let them engage directly with homeowners and peers to exchange tips, materials, sources, and practical advice.